How to turn on or turn off call bearing on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch phone application on your Android device. Now tap three dots at top right. Choose the option of settings. Now select calling account option under general. Tap career related setting and choose call bearing. Wait until every option has been read and it's been open. Now toggle the button on for one of the option and now enter the password. The setting has been now read and the option has enabled, or simply you can come back to phone and open dialer. And on your dialer you simply need to dial *31 has and dial it, and after that it will enable and you won't be able to make any kind of calls. To turn back off call bearings, again you have to proceed towards settings. Go to calling accounts, again career related settings and open call bearing. Now turn off the button for ongoing or outgoing international call and enter your password and let it be updating, and after that your call bearing will be turned off, or you can even go to dialer again and dial *31 has and make a call and it will be turned off. That's it. I hope this guide worked. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.